Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get zero start on Xiaomi scooters. This feature allows your scooter to accelerate immediately from a standstill, unlike the default kick-to-start mechanism. It means you won't need to push off with your foot to engage the motor. Zero start provides instant power, making your rides more fluid and responsive right from the beginning. It's a popular modification for many riders seeking quicker takeoffs and a more dynamic riding experience. To enable zero start, you'll generally use a software-based approach. This often involves installing custom firmware or utilizing a specialized third-party application designed for Xiaomi scooters. These applications allow you to access advanced settings not available in the official app. It's crucial to ensure the app and firmware are compatible with your specific scooter model to avoid any issues. Always research thoroughly before making any modifications to your scooter's software. Once you have the appropriate application, the process is straightforward. First, connect your Xiaomi scooter to the app using Bluetooth. Next, navigate through the applications interface to find the scooter's settings or customization menu. Within these options, you should locate a toggle or checkbox labeled Zero Start or sometimes Direct Start. Simply activate this option, save your changes, and your scooter will be ready for immediate acceleration. While Zero Start offers convenience, it's vital to consider safety. This modification significantly changes how your scooter behaves from a standstill, providing instant power. Always practice using Zero Start in a wide, open, and safe environment away from traffic or pedestrians. Take your time to become completely comfortable with the new, immediate acceleration response before riding in more challenging conditions. Your safety is always the top priority.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.